lulutuin natin ng kintab-kintab, fresh na fresh. Tapos, haluan natin ng tiger. Wow! Diba? Chill. Ang lalaki ng slims na ito. Talagang makontento ka sa laki. Oh? Tig-isa lang yata namin. 6 lang. 6. Wow, grabe, di ba? 6 na tiger prawns. Isa lang naman makain. Okay guys, ito yung aking isisigang na bangus at saka tiger prawns. So, ang spices are large red onion, 3 pieces ripe tomatoes, spring onions, 1 eggplant, and 1 labanos, the lemongrass, and the luya, the ginger. Ginger po ang ganda, diba? Oh, parang pamalo ni Barack. Ganda, diba? Okay, so let's continue guys. At ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano lulutuin itong sinigang bangus with prawns. Okay, refreshing milkfish with tiger prawns. Yan. Okay guys, andito na yung mga ingredients. Prepared na. Iluluto na natin. So, i-mention ko. I have here tiger prawns, the large ones, yan. And then, the large bangus, sliced. And then, I have here red onions, the eggplant, labanos, the radish, ginger, the spring onions, the lemongrass, I have the roots, and the stalks. And then, I have here ripe tomatoes, the green peppers, salt, and the pepper. Okay, kulang na lang yung tamarind. Okay guys, magluluto na tayo. Ating isalang na natin ang ating nainit. Ang tubig, isalang at sindihan ang kalan. Ayan. So guys, may abundant water. Hindi ko makita. Ayan, abundant water guys, mga 1 liter. Pero ito ay okay. 1 liter of water. Ilagay ko na yung sibuyas. 1 piece of onion, and then 100 grams of ginger, 1 stalk and roots of lemongrass, 3 pieces ripe tomatoes, and then salt. Ayun. 1 tablespoon of salt. Kuberan muna natin, pakuluin, bago natin idagdag yung iba pang mga kasangkap. Lagyan na natin ang labanos. Ayan. And then, ang eggplant. Sabay-sabay na lahat yan, guys. And then, ang green peppers. Okay, mamaya na ito pagka naluto na. Ayan. Okay. Ang dali lang lutuin yan. Let us see what's inside. What is happening inside? Wow! Ang gwapa ng sabaw, oh. See that, guys? Kita mo yan? Kumukulo-kulo. Sarap niyan. Sarap niyan. Ayaw natin overcook kaya. Oh, grabe na. Oh. Wow. Gusto kong makuha pati yung shrimp eh. Ganun eh. Ooh, yummy. You see this? This is for thumbnail. Ayan, so ilagay na natin ito. Final na timpla. Okay na. At kakain na tayo, higop na tayo ng sabaw. Tikman ko na ang sabaw. Huyop, huyop. Mainit sobra. Kita ba ako? Hindi ako kita eh. Ang sarap. Grabe. Perfect. Ang sarap ng sabaw. Kain na kayo. Wow, so refreshing sabaw. My God. So yum, 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 yum. So refreshing soup of bangus and tiger shrimps. Let's eat, guys. Come on. Okay, bye-bye. Tapos na naman ang pagluluto. At tayo magkita-kita muli next time. Okay, thank you so much guys sa kapapanood ninyo sa videos namin. Sorry kung lagi ako nabubulol. Alam nyo naman ako. Sobra yata ang pagka-energetic ko today. That's why. At alam nyo naman, atat, nakakain ng isang buong marang. And then daming rambutan and mangustin. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you so much guys. Okay, see you again. Take care, stay inspired, and smile often. Okay, bye-bye.